Hi, so Volvo V40 2013, the car was in accident, so the lens was broken. Everything else was okay except for the lens. So, as you can see, doesn't look that nice. This is the glue, you need to buy it separately. Doesn't look good, but does the job. So to remove the headlight, you need to unscrew it, T30 I think, hex, and then this bit, you turn it, yeah, like that, and you pull it out. And then you need to wiggle the headlight and try to pull it out. I think once you lose the headlight, and then you need to pull it from the bottom. I think that's the best way. You need to force it a little bit, but not too much. Be careful not to damage the bumper, the wing, or the headlight. Once you remove it, then, as I watched on YouTube, they put the whole headlight in an oven and then they heat it up, and I tried that. I heat it up on 100 degrees, I believe, 100 Celsius degrees, for like 20-25 minutes. Didn't do much. Once you take it out from the oven, it's too hot, so you can barely touch it, and then it cools out very quickly. The point is to heat up the glue so that it becomes soft, so then you can take out the lens. I think the best option is to use a heat gun. So you heat all the way, all around, everywhere, and then start to take out the lens from one corner, one side, and work your way. So the best way is, I think, two people, one to use the heat gun and the other person to try to separate the lens. So that's not that easy as it looks on YouTube. On YouTube everything looks easy. It was a bit difficult, but I think with the heat gun is the best way. Another thing, when I was heating up, I heated up once in the oven, and I managed to take out some part, to separate some part. Then I put it again in the oven on more degrees for longer time, and then again I've tried, but like I said, I was doing it by myself and it was a bit difficult. So then I took a heat gun and started to work my way slowly. I used pliers because this was broken, so I cracked it a little bit more and start with pliers to pull out the lens. And finally I took the whole lens out. Then I cleaned the glue, the original one. Then I add my glue, the one that I bought from eBay, and then I push the lens inside its place. The problem is, they say on YouTube not to use too much glue, so maybe I used a little bit too much glue, but it was really difficult to put the lens back because this glue, it's not that soft, so you cannot easily push. I had to put my whole weight on the lens to put it in. I put on the stairs, I put the headlight on the stairs because it's not even on the other side, and then with my whole weight I tried to push it in. At the end it did work, like I said, and this is the result. It's been like 2-3 months, so looks okay. Make sure you clean inside. The lens will be clean, but inside the headlight, make sure you clean all the plastic, all the lamps over there. I didn't do a great job. I can still see some dust inside, but I'm happy how it turned out because it saved me more than 200 pounds. So the lens is perfect fit, fits perfectly. You cannot tell the difference that it's been replaced unless you unless you see the edge here. I will show you on the other side how it looks. This is the original one, and you can barely see the glue over there. And if you can see the plastic here, it looks nice. And on the other side is a little bit damaged. I don't know if you can see on the video, but it's like, yeah, here it's damaged a little bit. Yeah, but once again, does the job. I'm happy with it.